Ma'am, you are mute. Satakshi, ma'am, you are mute.
Okay. We wish you a very warm welcome to all of you and a hearty congratulations to be a part of this induction. As we all know that blood is the base of every human being life and there is no life without blood. This makes its life value priceless. I hope you all are safe and well at home. Let me initiate you to one and all Career Dreams Education. Career Dreams Education is an education oriented skill development enterprise. We are solemnly committed to provide clients with customized educational assistance and education solutions to our young aspiring minds and esteemed education clients. We feel proud to be certified by Quality Management System under ISO 9001/2015. Also, we are recently certified with AICT. You all must be knowing what is AICT, right? You can easily watch our activities and share your feedback on various social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Website us on careertrends.co.in. Before peeping into the workshop, I would like to honor our lodger as well as today's workshop's co-intern and the co-partner with me, Miss Shraddha ma'am, who is an excellent example of inspirational betterment and of course the most enthusiastic personality in Kairim's education. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Karthik Kotwal sir, who is Chief Executive Head, the founder in Kairim's education. We have Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, who is Chief Marketing and Financial Head in Kairim's education, and Ms. Renu Borama, Chief Operating Head in Kairim's education. We have Rajiv Gupta sir, and we have Ria Jain ma'am, who is Technical and Managing Coordinators in Kairim's education. Now, guys, add wings to your dreams. Hold up your breath. We are starting with the program. I'm now shifting my mic to Shraddha ma'am, who will tell you the program and the internship, what it is, and how you will start. Shraddha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, hello and a very good evening to one and all present here. I am Shraddha Mishra, one of the core team members of Career Dreams Education. Yes, we are proudly, like every day, we feel that proud in our word while we are saying Career Dreams Educations. And it's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all in this induction meet. This induction meet is to give you a brief idea, brief introduction about the company with which you are going to work and of which you are going to be a part of. Okay, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much or almost everything. Yes, near about wonders. We can do wonders together. So, yes, we are very happy to have you all as a team to do wonders and keep our company to the great heights. A big congratulations to you all on this new role. And on behalf of all the members and management of Career Dreams Education, I would like to welcome you all in this induction meet and in the coming days for this company. Siddhi ma'am, you can share the screen, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And yes, you all are the leaders because you knew this way. You already knew this way. You are going this way, and not only that, you are showing the way to others to come forward and show that leadership and initiative. So keep up your enthusiasm and excitement high for this induction meet and for your 45 days with us. So yes, as you all can see it in this on the screen, career, dreams, education. So these this name is built up of very simple words, career and dreams and education. But together its meaning is very high. So let me tell you the meaning of the name. As the name itself says, career, dreams, education. Here we help the students, we motivate them, we teach them, we counsel them for their dream career. We are situated in Jaipur, Divya Mall, Lal Koti area. We are proudly having the recognition under the MSME Act Government of India. Yes, exactly. We are government recognized. We are also registered under the state government of Rajasthan. We are proud to be ISO certified enterprise. ISO. Okay, so can anybody of you tell what is the full form of ISO or what is ISO? Please be interactive, people. Some quick answers I need from you all. Some quick answers, please.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
hello, ma'am. International Organization for Standardization.
Okay. Uh, Not exactly. Anybody else? Please, please, please.
International
Yes,
International
ma'am.
Organization for Standardization.
Okay. So basically, ISO means International Standard Organization. Okay. So International Standard Organization. This is very clear. We are having the management quality as per the global standards. So in turns, add wings as we give you the confidence, we give you the assurity that you will be working with us at the global level standard. We are very proud to announce that now we are AICTE approved too. You can see the level of internship you are going to have with us, guys. And the whole element of this internship comes under the Skill India initiative. We not only go for internship, we are going for comprehensive internship come training program. Yes, exactly. You heard it right. We are not providing you internships only. We are going to provide you trainings so that you can be capable enough to live a life that you want. That is your dream career. You can live your dream career. We are providing you knowledge about that. So, Siddhiram, please move a bit down. Thank you so much. So, here at Career Dreams Education, we work with the young mind. We work with the aspiring minds like you. Here, we not only invite the qualified people, we also invite young minds to come forward, young minds like you. We not go for qualifieds. We give chance to freshers, graduates, UG students, PG students, and MDA, PGDM aspirants and pass outs too. And not only that, we have technical students, tech lancer students, and professionals also in our company. So that is the main thing. That is the main qualities that you can see of our internship. That we give opportunity to each and every person. We not only go for the internships, we also provide live projects. We provide administrative, managerial work, assignments, and tasks. You will get to work with our core professional qualified team, and you can work with them and share the same workspace as the competitive business environment. Program guidelines are based on the concept of learn, perform, training, execution, and achievement. So, can anybody of you tell what do you mean by learning? Like in your words, what is learning? Some quick answers, people. We are having 68 people with us, like 68 interns we are having. We need some proactive people with us. So show your enthusiasm and tell me what according to you is learning. Yes, ma'am, you raised the hand. Go for it, ma'am.
Hello, this is Fatima. According to
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
learning is when we learn something new from the society or from the environment that we live in.
Okay, that's quite great, Fatima, ma'am. That was very good. Anyone else? Be interactive, people.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am.
Yes,
Um,
yes, ma'am.
According to me, learning is the process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behavior skills, attitudes, and preferences.
Okay, that's quite great. Okay, Tripti, ma'am, you also raised the hand. Go for it. And Harsh, sir, too.
Yeah,
Please
hello,
respond.
good evening, and everyone. As according to me, learning is a new undertaking that people can learn a new thing while they are just going to interact with any undertakings. Thank you.
Okay, that's quite great. That's quite great. We got a lot of answers from a lot of people. Okay, so anybody like still excited to give the answers? You can go for it, or I'll be moving ahead. Okay, yes. Someone has written it in the chat box. Learning can be considered as an activity to promote one's self. Okay, that's quite great. We have got a lot of answers from you all. That was quite great. So yeah,
Also,
winding
learning
up.
means acquiring hard and soft skills, in which hard skill means the technical skills, and
Okay,
all the technical like coding and doing the graphic designing. And soft skill means the way you present, the way you communicate, the way you put yourself in front of others confidently. So this is all
yes,
the
exactly.
soft
We got a lot of answers. You all are right. That's quite great. Okay, so winding like oh, people are so excited. They are also writing into the chat box. Very great, very nice people. Okay, so like if I'll be merging up all your answers, I'll be coming up to the conclusion that learning is to get knowledge about present things and future possibilities. Performance means to apply the knowledge for action in such a way that you get success. Training means upgrading yourself, your knowledge, your skills, your behavior. And execution is a systematic performance. Not only just doing it with a system, with an efficiency. And the last one, that is the achievement. Achievement means achieving something. And at the end of the internship, like you will get the achievement. You will get the real benefit, real achievement, and that will be the career advancement and business career knowledge. Okay, so now let's take you to our functional areas, functional management areas. So these are our functional management areas where we are working. As you all can see, these are our functional management areas, including administrative management, career counseling, marketing team, education research and development, HR management, financial management, strategy designing and business development, technical team, and data management team. So now, moving forward, as I already mentioned, it is not only regular internship, it is comprehensive internship come training program. Ma'am, a bit more down. Thank you so much, ma'am. So you all can see these are like this is the career dreams education and its functional subunits, like all the different units that comes under the career dreams educations. So yes, in career dreams educations, we are dealing with general management. In Technophilia 1.0, as you can see it on the screen, we deal with the technical people. We provide technical training and technical internship opportunities. Under Money Batters, it is our financial unit. So here, this is our financial subunit, namely Money Batters. Here we are dealing with the finance and other things. Next up we are having is our new venture that we are starting it very soon, that is Business Now. Business Now is our business development unit where we will be developing business. We will be working for the business development. And not only internships, like all the regular internships go for internships only. But here we also have our fifth functional subunit, that is Insta placements. Yes, we go for placements also. Not an assurity, not a guarantee, but it is our whole and soul try to have you the best placement opportunities and best opportunities in career dreams educations. Ma'am, a bit more down, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. So welcome to the Skillgram. So these are, as you all can see, these are our general management internship domains that we are covering. So you all are a part of it. Under general management, we are having all these domains. Next, under technical internship domains, that is Technophilia, we are going to have Siddhi ma'am, please move. Thank you, ma'am. So under technical internship domains, that is Technophilia 1.0, we are going to have the following domains under technical, that is Technophilia. Under Technophilia, we are going to have the following domains, as you all can see it on the screen. Next domain that we are going to deal out is our financial domain, that is at Money Batters. So yes, these are our financial internship domains under Money Batters. And the fourth number is the newer domain and the newer wing to our Career Dreams Educations, that is Entrepreneurship Development Internship at Business Now, including all these courses, all these domains we are having. You all might be well aware of these courses: supply chain management, operational management, and many more. These are the current requirements of the society and current requirement of the companies. Companies are nowadays looking for these internships only and these professionals from these fields only. Next, ma'am. Thank you. So here, internship at Skillgram. So Career Dreams Educations and its functional subunit. As I already mentioned, all the functional subunits to you all, that we are having our financial domain, we are having our technical domain, we are having a general management domain that is under the Career Dreams Educations, and we are also having the business development domain for and under the Business Now. So yes, we like our vision and efforts are very basically directed towards the skill development. We don't want interns, we want entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs like you who all are ready to take risk. Yes, you all are here to be entrepreneurs, not in interns only. Regular internship you will be getting everywhere. But here we are going to prepare you for entrepreneurship, not a regular internship. So be ready for that and have that level of excitement and enthusiasm in yourself so that you can have, until unless you are not ready for that, nobody else can motivate you in that way that you have to do it. Next slide, ma'am. So these are the different internship come training program that we under here Career Dreams Education. We provide 3 different modules of internship come training program. We are having 15 days crash internships come training program, 30 days super internship come training program, and 45 days business internship come training program. These are the 3 different modules that we're working with. And you all can very clearly see it on the screen. These are working areas under general management domain: marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, HR management, content writing, business development, event management, educational research and development, and business research and development. These are the core domains under our general management. Next one is our financial domain, that is Money Batters, creating wealthy happiness. So the two strong pillars of Money Batters are Mr. Kaushik sir and Mrs. Shikha ma'am, the managing heads of Money Batters. Here we are working with the live projects. Here we are also working with the client customization services. We will provide you opportunities to work with the client customized services.
I think she has some network glitch. So, guys, Money Partners is basically for financial people,
Ma'am,
the ones who join. Yeah, Shraddha ma'am is back.
yes, ma'am. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience, people. There was a network glitch. Okay, so under Money Batters, we are having the financial management and financial analysis. Am I clear now, Shoaib sir? Hello. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Thank you so much, Siddhi ma'am and Raya ma'am. मत करो यार कॉल अभी. So yes, thank you so much for
Shraddha ma'am,
informing
your
that my
mic
voice
is
is
on.
clear. Hello?
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही है, बहुत तेज से आवाज आ रही है मैम.
Now is it audible?
हाँ अब ठीक
Yes,
है.
ma'am. Okay. Okay. So, Siddhi ma'am, next slide, please.
मनी वाटर्स एक्सप्लेन करिए मैम, मनी वाटर्स रह गया था.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have explained that here we provide specialized and customized client services. We provide financial services to all our clients in the way they want. Like customization, you all can very easily understand what customization is. Our core working areas under Money Waters are mentioned on the screen, as you all can see. They are going with financial training, with business financial analysis, insurance, investment, and many more. Our knowledge areas are capital structuring and fund management. Yes, Tripti ma'am. Ma'am, your queries will be answered at the end. Okay, ma'am? Okay.
Guys,
So,
see, this is a meeting of induction. It's not a library. So instead of you, if you face any problems, just open up your mics and speak the problem so that we can know that you are understanding the PPT, because this is for the internship understanding. If this will not be clear, then you will not able to do the internship here. So keep asking questions, but not in the between. Ask in the, at the end of the sessions, which will
yes,
be
Satakshi
clarified by
ma'am.
the
Okay,
Madam
ma'am.
Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, all your queries will be answered at the end of the induction meeting, guys. So, have some patience.
And start
Okay.
be attentive, guys. Start being attentive. Like ask
Yes,
questions.
ma'am. Satakshi ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So, these are the financial domains that we're having, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, a bit more down, ma'am, from for technophilia. Thank you so much, ma'am. So this is our technical wing, Technophilia 1.0. So technical research and innovation incubation hub. Yes. This is our technical research and innovation incubation hub. Okay. So here in technical domain, as you all might be knowing, that technology is the most growing domain in today's world. Everybody wants to be digitally active, technically sound. So yes, here at Technophilia, we provide the technical knowledge, we provide the live projects, we provide the trainings, and many more things under Technophilia. So yes, move a bit down, ma'am. Under Technophilia, we are having our HR, our own web designing and development, mobile app development, Android app development, and machine learning, and many more things. As you all can see it on the screen, many more domains are under our Technophilia, that is technical wing. You all can see it, guys. It is not a small company. It is a company of different domains and different wings. And we are still expanding and still growing, looking for the more growth. And more of your people will be joining and we will be growing more and more. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a bit down. So here we welcome you to the new domain, Business Now, Developing Business, Designing Future. So this is our business development unit and the newer unit that we are going for. So here in Business Now, it is the exclusive business development cell designed by management and technical experts to build and develop entrepreneurship among Indian youth. Yes, we all want to create entrepreneurs, and this is the domain that is going to work for the entrepreneurs and with the entrepreneurs. So if you are having that mindset, if you're having the mindset of an entrepreneur, this domain is for you. Business development, technical support services, we are also providing. Business brand management, business promotion and marketing PR, business development, HR support services, business development, financial, legal support services. Siddhi ma'am, thank you so much. So here till now we talked about the internships. Now let's come to the placement section, guys. Everybody asks like where are we going to be placed? So yes, we are going to provide you opportunities for the placements too. Why to go for internships only if you can go for the placements too? So yes, we are going to provide you Insta placement services too. We are going to provide placement services here at Career Dreams Education. It is a specialized HR management placement wing. It is the newer placement wing of Career Dreams Education, designed and developed strategically by our strategic management team at Career Dreams Education to provide highly competent placement support services to both the employers and the job aspirants. Insta placement services for candidates and job aspirants. These are the services that we are going to provide under our Insta placement domain. We all know the importance of exclusive web portal, like having your own brand. We all know its importance. We all know that how important it is to have our personalized corporate CV. We all know how to be good at GDPI because yes, every company nowadays asks for GDPI. So yes, all those questions are having a solution at Insta Placement. Here at Insta Placement, we are providing all these services to you. So like after listening all these things, you might be thinking, why to do this internship? Everybody might be having this question, why? So the answer to why is the benefits of this program. So as we all know, we do internships for learning by doing. Because learning, we go through a lot. But when it comes to doing, we go for internships. So internships are for learning by doing only. So here we are going to give you practical business exposure. You will be recognized by the certificate of internship, your performance appraisal with certificate of work excellence. You are also going to get some cash rewards, not only certificates. You are also going to get some cash rewards and performance based incentives. These both will be provided to you if the company finds your performance to be at a standard level. Because yes, if we are standard level, we will be asking you all to be that standard, right? You can also avail the job oriented HR training with personality development sessions and skill enhancement sessions. Avail multiple interview opportunities to maximize your chances of final placements in diverse industries. So let's move on to all the areas of certifications that we are going to get. So we are going to provide you 11 certification opportunities. So it is up to you how you find yourself or make yourself capable to take these certificates. These certificates have their own importances because all these are ISO recognized. And you all might be well aware, like if you don't know, you should just very clearly.
See, guys,
Is
you
it
can just
breaking?
yeah, ma'am. It's not breaking, guys. What you can do, you can rejoin again. Might be there
Yes.
issues from your side, so rejoin because we are getting clear voice from.
Okay. I think, sir, there is a network glitch from your end, so you can sir, rejoin. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for telling it, sir. So we are having these 11 certifications, and what I was saying is that if you don't know what is the importance and benefit of ISO certification, you should very surely go and Google it today only. So these are the certification areas. Now, at the end, These are our yeah, this is our management, as Satakshi ma'am in the starting of the meeting already told. These are our core management. Like these are the stronger pillar on whom this curriculum education is strongly standing. So these strong pillars are Mr. Karthik Gojwal sir, founder and chief executive head, Ms. Renu Bora ma'am, our central counselor and chief operating head, Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, edu program developer and chief marketing and financial head. We are having the executive level management. Those include Mr. Rajiv Gupta sir, managing head general management, Mr. Kaushik sir, managing head at Money Butters, Mrs. Shikha Garodia ma'am, managing head at Money Butters, Ms. Ria Jain ma'am, managing head Technophilia 1.0, Ms. Jaisal Gotwal ma'am, managing head Business Now, Mr. Rajat Sharma sir, managing head Insta Placements. So you might be thinking why I'm telling you these names. Because yes, if you are joining a company, you should know who are the stars of that company, who are the reason for the growth of that company, because you are going to work with them. So you should very surely know them. So at last, these are our, ma'am, a bit more down. Thank you. So you can see our presence. Like these are our offices. We are Jaipur-based organization. You can get connected with us through call, through WhatsApp, through mail, or our official website. We are also having our presence on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. You can go and check us out and watch our activities over there. Okay, so here we came to the end of this PPT. Now we are having Mr. Vinayak sir with us. Sir,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
good evening,
Thank you so
sir.
much.
Thank you
And
so
to
much,
all
sir.
those new people, the new minds, the young talents of India, guys, welcome once again to Career Dream Education, the official Skill India initiative with CITP, Comprehensive Internship and Training Program. Guys, I'm sure a big thanks goes to Shraddha ma'am and Satakshi ma'am for conveying the core content, the knowledge of this program. And on behalf of the management, guys, I just want to add one word: internship, not entrepreneurship. We will give you training, and the complete decision making scenario where you can decide how strong you are and how capable you are to perform in the real time business world. Guys, internship, it's not something doing enough. In this case, we will not check your performance. We will see how you perform, what is your working methodology, what is your thinking pattern, what is your psychological understanding, and what is your leadership quality to lead the team as a manager. Guys, let me confirm one thing. According to you people, which role is more suitable for you people? I give you two options: job creator or job seeker. I want to know the answer quickly in the chat box. Individually, every new intern will mention his answer: job seeker or job creator. Give me your choices quickly, guys. I want to see the talent of young India, the confidence. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing. As I see, as expected, everybody is going behind job creator. Guys, if you dare, I will use the word dare. अगर है दम, job creator बना guys. Amazing, guys. Truly, like as expected, everybody is having the vision which we want to deliver you. Job creators. Guys, we belong to India, fastest growing economy of the world. Do you know, guys, all those people, I want an answer. What is the annual growth rate of Indian economy? May I have one answer? Just unmute yourself and speak up, guys. I want to see the confidence. What is the annual growth rate of India? Any idea? Amazing, Harsh Babar. Perfect. It's 4.2%, which is higher than America. American market, it's 2.5%. Chinese market, 3.5%. We are ahead. We are the fastest economy. And why? Because we have you people, youth of India. And guys, we're gonna give you training not for becoming a job seeker. You're gonna be the job creator, the face of Indian economy, the power behind the global management. My side, welcome once again to Career Dream Education. It's all about internship, training, and getting the entrepreneurship, the ultimate risk attitude. Now, guys, I hope you are done with this idea. How we gonna deal with you? And now I would like to have you people to raise your query one by one. Just unmute yourself and let me know your queries. We have Satakshi ma'am and Shraddha ma'am, the HR coordinators who will be there with you, training you and giving the training, organizing the internship schedule for you people, and help you understand what are your strong qualities and where you are lagging. So, guys, be more communicative. The more we communicate, the more trust we get. Ultimately, guys, there is nothing bigger than trust in this virtual business internship. So, if you have some query, please let us know. And be clear and confident, because I want to see the confidence also, guys, how strong you are. Though I can't see you, but we will be judging you to your confidence.
Yes, sir. True, sir. Very
Sir,
true.
we have some raised hands. Tripti ma'am. Ma'am,
Guys,
please
if you have
unmute
any
yourself and tell us your query.
queries, you can ask your queries, guys. Do let us know so that we can solve it. Your queries, you can open your mic because in this way your confidence will get enhanced, guys. So this is the best platform where you can enhance your confidence instead of writing on chat box. Just speak up, guys. We are here with you. Come on, one by one.
Okay.
And I know you can do it,
Thank you
guys.
so
I
much.
know. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am, for just
Thank
giving me
you.
this chance to just come over here. Actually,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to ask one thing, sir and ma'am, to you all, that
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to pursue my MBA from NDIM, and still I am being confused to in which specialization I have to go. I
Mm-hmm.
am thinking about HR also, and I am thinking about marketing also. But as
See,
according to me, in
here.
this scenario,
Mm-hmm. See, ma'am, here in Guidance Education, we make person not stick to one specialization. We make them a versatile person doing HR and marketing with finance or HR and marketing with different domains. So I think, ma'am, like if you are still confused, come to CD Guidance Education, apply your experience, and then you will get to know, ma'am, what to choose and where to
Tripti
choose.
ma'am, Tripti ma'am, I would like to divide your question in two parts. Let me confirm, are you going for NDIM Okhla campus or Tughlakabad? Which campus
Tughlaq,
you are planning?
Tughlaqabad.
Tughlakabad campus? Okay. Ma'am, let me divide the question in two parts. First, are you confirm that you will go for NDIM only? About the institution, is the question clear? Or you going to look for other option also?
No, sir, I am clear about NDIM.
Okay. Now come the second question. What type of domain you gonna purchase? Let me know, ma'am. Till now, which has been your strong subject academically as per education? Strong
Business,
subject.
business is my strongest subject right now.
Business management.
Yeah, business management.
And have you appeared in any CAT, MAT, CMAT exam?
Yeah, I have updated a math exam.
And what was the composite score? If you are comfortable to share.
It was 87%.
Impressive, ma'am. Truly impressive. Ma'am, we at Career Dream Education, what question you gave us, what type of domain? Ma'am, this thing you will experience when you will actually perform the area. And you know what? It is not restricted. You will work in HR only. Today you can take HR, then having performed 15 days in HR, you can switch to marketing. Like Shraddha ma'am is the brain behind HR. Satakshi ma'am is the brain behind marketing. And if you feel satisfied, but no, sir, I want to take new opportunity. Most welcome to Money Barters, where you can interact with financial people. And this is the specialty of this internship. We give you 100% switching flexibility. You can switch from one area to next. So
Okay, sir.
that
Thank
makes a
you so much.
difference. Sure,
Thank you.
Tripti
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Sir, we make people versatile, right, sir?
That's the best thing, मैम अल्टीमेटली मैम रियल वर्ल्ड में सिर्फ एचआर की आवश्यकता नहीं होती कंपनीज डोंट वांट ओनली एचआर दे
Right,
वांट
sir.
एचआर प्लस मार्केटिंग मार्केटिंग
Marketing.
प्लस फाइनेंस
Right,
all
sir. Right.
in one. That's why it is called comprehensive internship. We are all in one package.
Right, sir. Right.
Right, ma'am. So true.
Thank you so much, sir, for the answer, sir. Thank you.
And
Yeah, guys.
even okay, Miss Veena has asked a question.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
evening,
Sure,
sir
Harsh.
and madam.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Uh,
Yeah, ma'am. You can go, ma'am. You can ask. Come on. Just don't feel
Ma'am,
shy,
I
ma'am.
want to ask you about. I have applied for HR domain, but
Yeah, yeah.
now I want to change my domain in content writing. So
Yeah,
can
as
I?
sir told na. Yeah, sir told na, you can switch to,
Definitely, ma'am.
you can. No issues
Okay,
there.
thank you,
Ma'am,
thank you.
ma'am, I add one thing. Veena ma'am, the point is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
when you are dealing with content writing, आप कंटेंट तभी तैयार कर पाओगे जब आपको उस चीज की नॉलेज होगी. So when you are preparing a content regarding to
Yes,
HR,
ma'am.
marketing, anything, you will be
Yes,
given due knowledge and training also.
yes, sir.
We will give you the complete exposure also with that.
Right, sir.
Okay,
And
sir.
guys, I would like to make one thing clear in this point. Guys, this internship is approved under AICT, All India Council of Technical Education. अगर आप technical student हैं, if you are pursuing PGDM, you must understand AICTE is the highest authority in India for management. And this internship is approved by AICTE. So you can understand the seriousness of this internship. Also, let me make one point very clear to you regarding the fees of this program. Guys, we have a 6 package fee structure for this program. Let me just share my screen with you. I will be sharing my screen and I will give you a brief idea. What are the 6 categories of internship in your area only? I just request a couple of seconds.
Yeah, sir. Sure. Listen to this very carefully, guys. Very carefully, because this is something good opportunity coming for you. Stay tuned.
Okay, ma'am. So, guys, as a part of this, the way you got enrolled in this program, you cleared the interview, you made the payment. So, guys, there is a distinction between how much you paid and what are the internship benefits you will get here. I would like you people to just look at the screen. Yes, it is now shared now. Now, is it visible to all of you guys?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Is it
Yes, sir.
visible? Okay. I
Yes,
just
it's visible
request
now.
your attention here. It's a 45 days internship program. And let me remind you one thing. 45 days is the minimum period. Afterwards, you can extend 60, 75, 90, maximum 180 days internship will be given to you. Now, if you see the fee structure, we have a most incredible and most comprehensive internship, diamond internship, which is having a fees of 500 rupees. Those interns who have opted for diamond internship, they will be in a very, very strict and very, very professionalized internship and training schedule. Guys, you can just look at the package. The 500 rupees registration fees will take you to diamond internship, where just you can just zoom your screen individually. There is internship 45 days. Even you can extend 2 workshop, 2 training program, 2 business competition. All this will be included in your internship. Then 8 certificates are guaranteed. A person for 500 rupees fees diamond internship will be awarded minimum 8. He can go for higher also. If he is performing as a team leader, he will get 9 or 10 certificate, but 8 certificates are guaranteed. That also ISO. Then letter of reference. Then we will design a CV. In future, if you go for a job, we will give you a very, very corporate CV. We will design a video for you people. Career Dream Education will design a video जहाँ पे आपकी qualities को, your caliber, qualities, all these things will be showcased like a movie. Your profile, आप कौन हो? Who are you? There will be a video made for you. And we will give you placement support for 6 months. For the next 6 months, after the internship gets over, we will give you placement support services, giving you employment news, giving you interview updates, making you prepare for GDNPI, giving you direct interaction with the companies. And guys, if you just note the point number 10, can anyone read this point number 10 in Diamond Internship?
Exclusive web portal.
Exactly, guys. Exclusive web portal. Now, what is this? After getting the approval from AICTE, we are designing a website. In this website, आप लोगों ने naukri.com देखा होगा, jobs.com, monster.com देखा होगा. जहां पे कंपनीज अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट को पोस्ट करती हैं. But we are designing the first website in our Rajasthan state where you people will get your web page. We will design web page for every intern जहां पे आपके प्रोफाइल को अपडेट किया जाएगा, आपके प्रोफाइल को बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल तरीके से दिखाया जाएगा. So far there is no other website in the Indian market जहां पे individual interns को दिखाया जाता हो apart from LinkedIn. So we are designing an exclusive web page. For example, if Satakshi ma'am is having a web page, it will be www.instaplacement.com/Satakshi. That will be your website, guys. And I don't think in 500 rupees anyone is going to give you your website. And that website will be updated frequently. So when you go to a company, जब आप कंपनी के पास जाएंगे इंटरव्यू देने के लिए, you can claim, आप ये बोल सकते हो, sir, please check my website. I have got my own website. And guys, आप लोगों ने interviews क्रैक किए होंगे, but having your own website is very, very crucial for your placement stability. Am I right or wrong? I want to know some answer. Am I right or wrong? What do you think? Is website
sir.
important for your
you're
job
right.
profile? Only two people. Is website important for your job profile? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want the multiple more answers, guys. Is it important or not?
Yes, sir.
Guys, let me add one thing more. You know what? This internship में आप लोग जुड़ रहे हैं. This internship is approved by AICTE. Again, I'm repeating. We are certified by ISO. Do you know what is ISO?
Sir,
Yeah, please. Any idea? What is the ISO all about?
In the International Standard
International-
Organization.
Right, International Standard Organization. That means you can be the intern of India, no worry, but your standard will be global. If you visit American and European internship program, guys, in Europe and America, it is very important that every person before the job they should have website. How many of you got their own website? ये बताइए, आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों के पास अपनी खुद की वेबसाइट है, अपने नाम की? Is there anyone? I want some answer, guys. Is there anyone?
No, sir.
Guys,
No,
be
sir.
active and speak
No,
up.
sir.
Come on, everyone.
Not so, guys.
No,
And
sir.
even if you go to an
I
interview,
don't have so.
if you go to interview, what will you show to the company? You will show your CV, you will show your certificate. But guys, do you think we are in 2021? Is anybody interested in looking at your document? Not at all, guys. They want to see everything very quickly. In your web page, we will add your certificate, your profile, which school you studied, which college you studied, what is your CMAT MAT score, what are your best qualities, and how you got training, and how you are a successful intern, and how you will be a successful employee. All these things will be there. This is the premium advantage given to diamond internship people. And if you move ahead, guys, and guys, every point, guys, we are again emphasizing, we are under government guidelines. It is not something ki we just speak and it is done. Everything has a procedure. If you go to the 300 rupees internship, everything is same. But there will be one training program, 2 workshop and 1 competition. Just the numbers is changing. And in the 300 rupees internship, everything will be there, but the website, the web portal page will not be available. If you go down, 200 rupees golden internship, again, the benefit is reduced to 7. The features are same, certificates will be reduced. For 300 rupees internship, 6 certificates are guaranteed. Then for 200 rupees, 5 certificates. 100 rupees also, 4 certificate with letter and training and workshop. Now for 50 rupees also, we have people who have enrolled in 50 rupees program. You see the benefit. 1 training, 3 certificate and letter. And also, guys, like, we are open to all. We are welcoming everybody. So even if you pay nothing, you are most invited to this internship, guys, where you will get internship and certificate. So if you want to join workshop, you have to pay additionally. Every workshop, every 10 days, 15 days, we are having training workshop. So So you can join the workshop after making the payment. So like what you gonna get in internship, this is the, you can say, catalog. And guys, there is a very big difference between 50 rupees and 500 rupees. Money is not the important thing, guys. What you get in internship, that is more important. Am I clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
have one doubt.
And okay, ma'am,
Yes,
I would
sir.
like to add one more thing. One more point will be added. Guys, we give you flexibility option also. You can change your domain. Today you can perform in marketing, tomorrow you can switch to HR. That is not a big deal. Also, you can switch your internship program. That is, you can upgrade yourself. If you have taken 200 rupees internship, you can go to 500 rupees internship also. We have upgradation option also available, which you can update with your team leaders by tomorrow onwards. Now, I would like to have your, yes, ma'am, you were saying something, please.
Sir, like it's these internships are just like a movie ticket, sir. As much as high the amount is, the more luxurious things we will add into our life, sir. Right?
Definitely, ma'am. And guys, I would add one thing. It's a competition. It is a pure competition. How best you are. अगर आपको लगता है आप good हो, then try for better. If you are better, go for the best. And if you think you are best, then try to upgrade yourself. So every program is based on upgradation. How you upgrade yourself. That's the main thing in every program. How you upgrade yourself. And one more thing, guys, this is the fees only. We are not taking any charges for training. This is the registration fees as a part of the AICTE and ISO certification authorization. The training will be duly included, and see the difference. The 500 rupees diamond internship will be allowing you 2 training programs, while every other package is having 1 training program. So if you think you want to upgrade yourself, you can let us know personally. Your team leaders, Satakshi ma'am or Shraddha ma'am, your coordinators. And am I clear till now? You have some queries, then let me know immediately now.
Yes, guys. If you have any queries, do let us know. Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, guys. If you have any queries, yeah. And the question was, ma'am, movie to remain same. See, guys, we all are studying, we all are taking internships, we all are doing good job just to have a good luxurious life, right? I think like me as an objective I'm taking. I don't know about all, but we are doing these things just to have a good life, a good luxurious, a good, we have to work till 40 of age, and then we have to be an entrepreneur and work like, live a life after that, after 40. Right, Vinayak says, is that so?
Right, ma'am. Exactly right. I think in the coming economy, आपकी working age खत्म हो जाएगी 40 years, but nobody will wait for 60.
Right.
I don't want to work till 60, ma'am. I just want to work till 40.
Till 40 age, right, sir.
And then I can enjoy my life. I can go to a foreign tour. I can spend time with my family, and I can establish my own brand in this economy.
And that
And
will
same is
help
the
them,
vision.
sir.
Definitely, ma'am. That is.
Yes, Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So if you're having any other query, please feel free to ask us. We are here to answer your queries, guys. This is
Hello,
the...
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, please, you may.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me just add one point here. To all those people who are going to join this internship from tomorrow onwards, we have already started a very special management training program for a batch of 40 people. Let me just showcase the program name. The program has been introduced today only. You can just look at the name of the program. It's a Japanese term. Just look at that. Okay, just look on the screen. It's a Japanese term which stands for Kaizen. The 2 letters you look on the screen, this is the Japanese management technique, which is called Kaizen. Have you heard about this word anywhere?
No.
Any idea? This is the global management training program where you will be given a very vigorous 10 days training of
Sir,
how
change
to deal.
plus good.
Okay, now it is changed.
Change plus good.
Right. change plus good. The actual meaning is only change plus good. K for change, Zen for good. But as per the business management, it's a technique where you build your manpower, you build your capacities. So, guys, from you people, based on your CV and based on the program which you have selected, it's a diamond internship or platinum internship, we will shortlist top 40 people from you and from the existing interns tomorrow. And by the next Thursday, we shall be starting a very vigorous 10 days management training program for HR, content writing, marketing, and dip- corporate communication, you can say. So, in this program, let us see who are the top 40 people. It depends on your CV, and it also depends which program you are opting for. Definitely, there will be a more focused preference to the diamond interns. So, guys, be ready. Internship starts from tomorrow, and the training will be very vigorous. And especially for this training, once you clear this training, the top 5 people will be given additional certificate apart from your ordinary certificate. This is a training program under Career Dream Education. If you see the words improvement, process, productivity, management, it's a mixture of lot of things. We want perfection because at Career Dream Education, guys, we believe we are the best. Shraddha ma'am, Sadakshi ma'am, am I right?
Yes,
Always
sir. We
share.
always believe that.
So
We are the best.
we are,
And because
sir, we are best and we will be best, sir. Forever we will be
definitely,
best.
ma'am. And since we are the best, we're gonna create the best opportunity for all our interns and all our people. And this program will be a very vigorous, you can say, challenge होगा आप लोगों के लिए that will open your eyes कि आप कितने strong हैं real time corporate world के लिए. And once you clear this training, then you will be allocated to different teams, different leaders, and different projects. So we will judge you, we will train you, and you will understand what is the real importance of this program and why I stress it is ultimately a competition. We are not here for happiness. हम खुशी मनाने नहीं आए हैं यहाँ पर. We are here for business management. Ultimately, business is. Let me complete the word. I want an answer. What is business? Business is something like I want to see your answer.
Guys,
Let's see.
speak up, please, everyone.
Let's see, guys. आप क्या सोचते हैं? What is business all about, according to you people?
Sir, it's according to me, it's potential and hard work of
Okay,
our
hard work
mind
as.
as well as physical activity. Means
Okay.
in the
Mhm.
sense of physically, yeah.
Sir, business is buying and selling as a way of earning money and commerce.
All right. Correct answer. Even I got a chat box answer. Generating revenue, पैसा कमाना. So true. और कुछ आंसर हो सकता है? I think business सब लोग करते हैं. व्यापार करना, पैसा कमाना. बट कुछ बेटर आंसर जो हमें 21st सेंचुरी के लिए तैयार करेगा. बिजनेस तो कई सालों से हो रहा है. And people think कि बिजनेस भी एक्टिविटी है. No, guys. At Career Dream Education, you will understand. Business कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं है. Any more answer? If I say business एक्टिविटी नहीं है. Selling your knowledge and be competitive. Okay, Tripti
It's
ma'am. I
about
think
creating a competitive edge over the other similar companies.
that's true. But थोड़ा सा इसमें मैं कुछ और add on करना चाहूँगा. I want to add on
Sir,
few. Yes, Ash, please.
enterprising engage in commercial and industrial professional activities.
Right. I think आप लोगों के अकॉर्ड आप सब लोग एक ही बात कह रहे हो. Business is like entrepreneurship, a business, money benefit, risk, competition. But guys, एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता है. Business is not only with money and profit. At Career Dream Education, you will understand. Business is it's an attitude. Business एक attitude है. It's a part of your life. How you present yourself before the people. अगर आप इंटरव्यू देने जाओगे, अगर आप ये सोच के जा रहे हो कि I want a job, you will definitely don't get a job. But if you have the attitude कि no, I can be the best performer of your company, give me a chance. If you have this attitude, guys, this is business. In Career Dream Education, आप लोग यही चीज को experience करेंगे. What is attitude? आप लोग जब इंटरव्यू की सीट पे बैठेंगे, आइदर एज अ बॉय, या तो अपने हाथ फोल्ड करके बैठोगे, या फिर पैरों को फोल्ड करके, या फिर बहुत डिसेंट तरीके से आप बैठेंगे। बट गाइज, बैठने का जो तरीका है वो आपके एटीट्यूड को दिखाएगा। एंड इफ यू हैव दैट व्हाट वी से द पैशन, एक पैशन है आप में कि यार आई एम अ बिजनेसमैन एंड आई कैन टेक एनी रिस्क एंड आई कैन कन्वर्ट द रिस्क इनटू अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू आर एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड वेलकम टू करियर एजुकेशन। जो एटीट्यूड मींस कन्वर्टिंग रिस्क इनटू अपॉर्चुनिटी। लेट्स सी गाइस, you are going to enter career dream education where you will understand risk kya hota hai, what is risk, and convert the risk into opportunity. This is attitude which we will give you and we will develop with you people. Satakshi ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, the best two examples from this program. These two girls joined this program 2 months ago. 2 mahine pehle they joined us, but today they are the voice of career dream. They are the authorities of career dream. They are the coordinators. एज पर देयर इंस्ट्रक्शन दूसरे इंटर्न्स काम करते हैं आज। द टू गर्ल्स ज्वाइन हुई थी एज एन इंटर्न, बट टुडे दे आर द क्वीन ऑफ इंटर्नशिप। अदर इंटर्न्स फॉलो देम। दिस इज द एटीट्यूड गाइज, समथिंग लोग आपको फॉलो करेंगे। इफ यू हैव द फायर, देन जस्ट गेट सेट एंड गो। नाउ आई जस्ट वांट टू कंक्लूड हियर, इफ यू आर रेडी फॉर द चेंज, इफ यू आर रेडी टू लाइट दैट फायर, अगर आपके दिमाग में एक बिजनेस वाली आग है, just mention yes in the chat box. So let me see who are more enthusiastic. Give me yes or thumbs up in the chat box quickly guys. Let's see आप लोग कितने excited हैं, कितने enthusiastic हैं for the next level business change. And if you are positive, if you are enthusiastic, guys, most welcome to Career Dream Educations. I can see the responses coming and coming and coming. All the
Can
best
we
guys.
go to 66 all? Can you have all 66? Yes.
Definitely,
Guys, come
ma'am.
on. Come on.
Like we are
Farhan
not
Maidan
like
Fateh.
Bilkul, ma'am. And guys, just make one thing sure. In this business, it's all about your potential, आपकी काबिलियत, your decisions, and your power. If you are not able to survive, if you think I cannot perform, then be at home. Because this world is only for the winners. Losers don't stand anywhere. हारे हुए लोगों के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है। इस दुनिया में सिर्फ विनर्स को गिना जाता है, और विनर हमेशा एक होता है। इफ यू वांट टू बी द वन, द विनर, अगेन वेलकम टू करियर ड्रीम्स। प्लीज तृप्ति मैम, प्लीज मैम, प्लीज। तृप्ति
Yes,
मैम,
sir.
you
Thank you to giving me chance again to just speak
thank
up
you so
over
much,
here.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so today I want to ask one thing that you have discussed few minutes later about this Japanese management. Will you
Yeah.
please elaborate it more, because I am interested in that, because I want to just learn new thing in a Japanese culture, because it is totally new in this management field.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, this word is Japanese, but this word, Kaizen, it is a global management technique where you are given some challenges, you are given some assignment related to management, where you will be trained. आपको training दी जाएगी how to handle the corporate HR, corporate marketing, corporate content making, and how to handle corporate communication. 4 areas: HR, marketing, contents, and communication. To handle these 4 areas, we will give you 10 days training. It is not related to Japanese culture or Japanese language. It is a global management technique.
Okay.
And once you complete the 10 days training, you will understand how to work in internship. Okay, let me ask a simple question to you, Tripti ma'am.
Yes,
If I
sir.
give you a task, कि मैम आपको 35 interns का data collect करना है, उनका नाम, phone number और address collect करना है, how will you collect that?
It maybe may make a Google form, then I will send to the that internship person. Then I will get the
You know,
data.
one more answer. You prepared the Google form, you got the responses.
Okay.
Now, what will you do? You will submit the file directly to me, or you will do something else?
No, I will not just going to submit the whole data directly to you, but before submitting to you, I will just classify each and every specialization. If a person is going through HR or something else, then after I will just share all the data with you.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, this is called data filtration. And in data filtration, there is a procedure how to categorize the data. So in management, बड़ी बड़ी चीजें आसानी से आप सीख लेते हो. But to learn the small things, we have this training program as per a globalized standard. For example, if you go to an Indian company also or a global company, you have to follow certain procedures to get the work done. This is what we say Kaizen, a training program inspired from Japan, but it's applied everywhere.
Okay, so okay, thank you
Am I
so
clear?
much.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much. I got a WhatsApp message, chat box message here. Okay, you are done with post game PMIR. Okay, which stream of HR? Ma'am, I just said one thing. HR is one mainstream. In HR, you will see different activities. So, HR में आपको stream नहीं चुननी है. HR is one area where you will experience many more things. Okay, let me exactly do one thing. Okay, let me know. How many people are there for HR internship? Raise their hand quickly, guys. How many people are there for HR internship? Just raise their hand. Okay, 11, 12 people have. Now 7 people have raised their hand. Amazing, guys. Guys, let me answer one question, guys. When I was in 12th class, my teachers taught me HR is equal to RST. Yeah, RST क्या होता है? Any idea? RST. It's a very common short form. What? Ma'am asked me कि HR में क्या होगा? What activities? So HR is equal to RST. Any idea?
Selecting and training.
Ma'am, please speak loudly, ma'am. No worries. If it's wrong answer, no worries.
Recruiting, selecting, and
That's it, ma'am. Recruitment, selection, and training. Just mute yourself. Okay, so when Adyasha ma'am asked me what exactly work I have to do, ma'am, first you will go for recruitment. How to hire more interns for the program. Recruitment कैसे होती है? You will invite people to join this program. You can get their CVs. Then you will take the interview also. You will take interview. You will judge whether this person is good for internship or not. Then you will design their data sheet. You will analyze their CV, and you will ensure HR communication. Also, if you are a strong player, then you can be a trainer in the coming project. So for HR, recruitment, selection, and training will be the 3 areas. The first assignment will be recruitment, where you will bring CVs. CVs को filter करेंगे आप लोग और उस data को आप analyze करेंगे. And as step by step, you will understand the management area. Guys, we will not create Taj Mahal in one day. We are having 45 days. 10 days, we will give you training for top 40 people only. That's the reason. The first challenge आपका यही होगा. Are you able to select in the Kaizen team or not? If you get selected, definitely you are a lucky person. You are competitive enough. You are already a strong player. If you are not selected, not to worry, the next batch you will be invited. Because in this internship, the training is given to every individual intern. To every paid intern, training is must. So guys, now, am I clear that if you still some query, let me know. And as ma'am said, now what are the activities? Once you join the program, daily you will see new things going on. So doubts and queries will be sorted automatically. Almost, guys, we have spent 2 hours in this induction meeting. That's quite patience-full and supportive. So shall we move towards the closing of this session, ma'am? Satakshi ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, I think everybody is done with that.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes,
We
sir.
shall move towards the closing time. And definitely,
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
once these people have, and let me know one more thing, guys. We have a very exclusive virtual event going on. It's called Virtual Mela under the authority of Himanshi ma'am, Satakshi ma'am, and Shraddha ma'am. These 2 girls are the real-time face of career team education. I can say these are the 2 queens of the management area. So we welcome you to the upcoming event, Virtual Mela. And because of the virtual Mela going on, the team is already engaged. Your letters, the official letter of joining, will be mailed to you in the coming 3 or 4 days. And meanwhile, in the coming 3 or 4 days, guys, we will judge you how strong you are to be our intern. If we find you a weak player, definitely, guys, your amount will be refunded and you will be eliminated after the internship if you prove to be a weak player. I told you in the beginning, losers have no place to stand. You have to perform to win, not for appreciation. So all the best, guys. Let's await the new opportunities for all you people. Thank you so much.
Sir, Rajiv sir want to say something. Rajiv
Rajesh,
sir.
sir, please, sir.
या वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून सर. सर वो वर्चुअल मिला के सर डिस्कस करना था, तो वो
Please,
सर
sir.
आपने पॉइंट कवर कर लिया सर.
Please, sir, you may.
नहीं सर, आपने वो पॉइंट कवर कर लिया है सर.
Vinayak sir, can I add something to it?
Please, ma'am, please, you may.
Thank you so much. So guys, see, if we want to start something good in our life, then why not to start with a recreation type of thing? Like we know, like after 5 days, we have to do a strict type of work and we have to get ourselves engaged in all the tasks. Life is getting boring, right? Right or wrong? Anyone? Come on.
Right.
Right,
ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
It is because we are stuck inside our houses, it's locked down, and we're not going outside to interact with people. But if I say one thing, that guys, you will interact. Like the virtual Mela is what? Virtual Mela is a Mela that is virtually. That's why it's virtual Mela. Funny, no? So basically, this is a 5 days program which we have launched basically for our interns, like you all. We know, you have a schedule, a full schedule life, and tasks, work, colleges, and we miss those school days when we used to participate in Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Annual Day, and all those stuff. We all miss. Like I'm the person, Shradha is the person. We miss a lot our school days. Is that you also don't miss your dance, your singing, and the talent you have hidden inside you? Do you miss that? Do you give time to your passion? Anyone? A 5 minutes time to your passion? Guitar, singing, anything? It's the answer is no, right? Because we don't get chance to give time to those things. But if I say, guys, अगर मैं बोलूं कि 5 दिन का वो मेला आपको हेल्प करेगा आपके पैशन को शो करने के लिए, तो हाउ वुड यू फील? और आपको हम लोग नहीं, सिर्फ यहाँ पे 58 लोग नहीं, पूरे के पूरे 200 से 250 लोग आप लोग को देखेंगे, और ऐसा हो सकता है बहुत सारी जनता देखने के लिए. आपके पैशन को हम एक एक तक पहुंचाएंगे, और अगर विश्वास नहीं होता है ना, तो आके देख लीजिए. एंड अब इसमें पूछेंगे सताक्षी मैम इसमें क्या क्या होगा? लाइक अब वर्चुअल मेला है तो कुछ मेला लाइक झूले होंगे, कुछ शॉप्स होंगी. नहीं भाई, लॉकडाउन है, कहाँ जाएंगे बाहर सामान लेने? नहीं, ये वर्चुअल मेला बेसिकली 5 days का प्रोग्राम है जिसमें डांस, सिंगिंग, स्केचिंग, we have fashion shows also. Oh my god. And also we have तारे जमीन पर. अब आप सोचेंगे तारे जमीन पर क्या है? तो basically guys देखो, we have some people which we call them special children. So for them we have add a program just to motivate their their programs, their talents. So you can do dance, singing, you can also do sketching, poetry, शायरी, ad making shows and more. Now you're thinking कि मैम अब आपने बोल तो दिया है तो फीस तो आपकी 1000 रुपीज होगी, क्योंकि जैसे लोग बाहर के लेते ही हैं. No guys, it's Career Teams Education. Fees is very minimal, 30 to 50 rupees. And the student people, आपके लिए भी एक चीज है, जो लोग डांस नहीं करते हैं, सिंगिंग नहीं करते हैं, आप लोग के लिए हम लोग लेकर आए हैं क्विज कंपटीशन, दैट इज इंटर्नशिप मास्टर क्विज ऑफ ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स, फाइनेंस, ह्यूमन मार्केटिंग एंड व्हाट ऑल आई कांट इवन एक्सप्लेन. सो सिर्फ 30 से 50 रुपए में आप उस वर्चुअल मेला को देख सकते हैं, एंजॉय कर सकते हो, अपनी बोरिंग जिंदगी को मतलब बाय बाय कर सकते हैं. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी, पीपल आर लाइक आ रहे हैं, जन की भीड़ आ रही है और बोलती है हमें वर्चुअल मेला देखना भी है और पार्टिसिपेट भी करना है. 57 लोग पार्टिसिपेट करोगे ना, trust me guys, you will get a platform to showcase your passion. Is it right, so Shraddha ma'am?
Yes, of course, ma'am, it's right. So, okay, so we have like spent 1.5 hours together. So now let's leave them. And what we will be doing, we will be providing the more information in their group by today only. All the rest information along with the registration form for all the interested people. Because I know these all are also very talented people that are going to join us from tomorrow.
We can see Monit sir DP. I think he's a photography edited person. Is that so, sir? Monit Singh, sir. I can
Yes,
see your
ma'am.
DP, sir, and I think you are addicted to photographies like that. Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can give you a solution. Can I? Sorry, may I?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, we have a photography competition for you. So if you want, sir, you can participate in that. In just Shradha ma'am, fees is 30 rupees, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yeah, 30 rupees only, sir. So
Okay, ma'am.
guys, feel excited. Come on, join virtual Mela in just
Excuse me, Satakshi ma'am.
yeah,
I
ma'am.
want to ask something. May I?
Yes.
Yeah, for virtual Mela, what will be the fees for fashion show?
It's just 50 rupees, ma'am.
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Please come again.
It's just 50 rupees. 50 rupees.
Okay,
Shradha ma'am,
ma'am. Okay, thanks a lot.
yeah. Shradha ma'am, we have fashion show and ad making show still yet in the program?
I don't think so, ma'am.
You know?
Okay,
Right.
so no issues. We will be providing all the details in the group only. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now, Rajiv sir,
Rajiv sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
sir, shall we wind up the session, sir?
Yes, ma'am. मैं chat box पे अपना number mention कर रहा हूँ, ma'am.
Okay, sir, for sure.